So how can you record your face while writing on the iPad? And let's get started. So there are more ways how we can technically do this, but using the iPad, you can literally just set up the screen recording like that. Like you can go to the control center, start it like this, and then you need to make sure that you go to the multitasking view of your iPad. So by the way, ensure you have the latest version of iPad OS, the iPad OS 26. But once you have this, you can literally open up your camera application, like minimize or make the window a bit smaller so you can only see a bit of it. Then you can grab the note-taking application of your choice and have it open as another app or another window of your home screen. You can perhaps even layer the notes over your camera window, whatever. Just play around with it, and then you can just write on the notes while showing your face and recording and capturing the whole thing on your iPad. Now, obviously, it's kind of hard because, you cannot have your iPad laying flat on the desk, as you will not be able to capture your face then. So there are some physics involved in that as well. But, you can use your fingers to type in. You can have your iPad in this upright position, or you can even use your keyboard or some different accessory for this. But generally speaking, that's all I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Let me know what you think about that below. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end, and I'll see you later in the future videos.